Casey had a general business credit of $75,000. His income tax liability was $65,000, and his tentative minimum tax figured on Form 6251 was $7,500. What is the maximum amount of general business credit Casey can claim for the year? This question deals with the general business credit and the limitations on this credit. This question specifically gives you the credit, but you have to apply a limitation. Now, the limitations found under Section 38C of the Internal Revenue Code, and it states that the general business credit is limited to the taxpayer's net income tax over 25% of the net regular tax liability exceeding $25,000. So let's go ahead and apply this formula. So again, this question tells us the general business credit is $75,000, but we specifically need to apply this formula that we've learned. So the formula again, we take the income tax liability of $65,000 and we subtract from that this adjustment amount. And the adjustment amount, we take the taxpayer's net income tax over 25% of the net regular tax liability exceeding $25,000. So that means we take the income tax liability, or net income tax, subtract away $25,000, we get $40,000. We multiply that by 25%, and we get $10,000. That $10,000 amount is subtracted from the $65,000 income tax liability, net income tax, and we get $55,000. So the rule is you take the lesser of the $55,000 limitation or the $75,000 general business credit. So the correct answer here is C, $55,000. Let's consider why the other choices are incorrect. A, $7,500. This is the tentative minimum tax as presented on Form 6251, which is the alternative minimum tax form. This question does not involve the alternative minimum tax. We didn't even have to consider that in the calculation. So choice A is incorrect. B, $10,000. $10,000 was the amount of the adjustment that we calculated, the reduction amount. So this amount is incorrect. D is $57,500. The general business credit does not reduce the income tax liability below the tentative minimum tax. So choice D is incorrect. So to conclude, the correct answer is C, $55,000.